Namaste. So today I'll be demonstrating one of the most popular breaths which is practiced all over the world, as they call it the bee's breath, but it's actually called Bhramari. As the name suggests, Bhramar is a large black bumblebee, and that's how the pranayama has come about, because of the humming sound of the black bumblebee, and hence it's also known as the bee's breath, but in short, Bhramari. This is very beneficial for people suffering from insomnia, not getting good sleep. So it's nice to practice either in the early hours of the morning if you want to give a good start to your day, or before sleeping you can also practice this. There are lots of variations, but I'll just show the variation which I teach in my classes. If your shoulders hurt, you can always do in chin mudra. Otherwise, it's nice because I have my mic. So normally I close my ears with a thumb. I cover my face. So it's a different mudra. So this is one of the mudra if your shoulders are strong. As I inhale, tongue touches the upper palate, and exhaling, I make a sound. Close your eyes, inhale. Gently open your eyes. It's good to just stay in silence after you finish the last round. You can start with 9 rounds and go up to 27 rounds. And also, if you feel that you're not able to chant 27 rounds, what I teach my students is, in the classes, first and second you can chant aloud, and third round you can mentally chant, so that you still get the full effect. So you still feel the vibrations after chanting the first and second. So the third round can be a mental recollection of the vibrations. As I said, it's a very soothing, calming effect. Other than people suffering from insomnia, it reduces stress, calms the mind. It even improves your breathing capacity. So if you're not finding time to do pranayama, this is a nice substitute, because you're able to just make the sound just like humming of a bee. And this is one of my favorite pranayama. I'm not able to practice it daily because I do other pranayamas, but I like that you can do this, especially in the colder months. Even though it's warm now, you can just practice it before getting good sleep, especially because the days are long now. Thank you. Namaste.